Hi, I'm Jonathan. I want to go over with a P-Series drive how to do an upload and a download. First, launch the Drive Support Tool software. It's a free download from our website. First, select the type of drive. I have a step and direction drive, and then go ahead and online. See a encoder cable open fault, which is a AL31 alarm on the front of the P-Series drive. We can also see that in the cyclic monitor screen at the bottom. It shows the 7-segment display in the software. So first, to load a configuration, go into the object dictionary. It's the book icon on the toolbar, and then load from file. It gives a status bar as it increments writing to the drive. Then we need to save to flash memory. Wait for that to close automatically, and then do a software reset or cycle power. It'll reconnect after it's done, and then we can enable the drive and we can jog the motor. The video capture is a little slow on the update on that, so we can also use the jog, which is a manual jog. It's in speed mode. When we switch between the screens, it automatically disables the drive for safety reasons. Here we're inputting the speed in RPM, and then we can spin the motor. You'll notice the drive says S run instead of P run because it is in speed mode. It is not in positioning mode. But for a point-to-point move, we can also set up a incremental move. I have a BE servo motor with a 8,000 count encoder, so I'm just going to run one revolution at 1 rev per second, accelerate in a tenth of a second, decelerate in a tenth of a second, then come back to my 0 position. I'm at 4,000 right now. If I click set, that'll reset my position to 0. You have to be enabled to do that, and then if you click move, it'll be moving back and forth, waiting until the in position is within 100 seconds or 100 encoder counts before it stops and reverses. Now if we want to save to the file, click show motor database. This will include all the motor information. You do not need to do this if it's a P-Series motor. The P-Series drives will auto-detect if it's a P-Series motor. This is only if it's any other motor. Here I have a BE231 DJ with a standard incremental encoder. Then I'm going to save to file. I can name it anything. Then I can email that to my customer and they can load it into their drive. And it's just a text file, comma separated values, the object number, subindex, object name, and then the numeric value. And this includes everything in the drive. Again, to load from the file, you go into the object dictionary, load from file, select the file, open. It'll write to the drive. That writes to RAM. You still need a save to flash memory. Wait for that to close automatically, and then either a cycle power or a software reset. If the drive is enabled, it will tell you that you need to disable it and then software reset. If it's an indexer drive on the digital inputs, the servo on input, if that's on, you can force it off here, and then you can do the software reset. And then you'll be back and able to run. Thanks, and if there's any questions, feel free to email us at emn_support@parker.com. Thanks and have a great day.